In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your standing desk to an outlet. Now, you want to make sure that you do this properly and safely. The first order of business is construct your standing desk like you normally would and put your items like your computer, your monitors, etc. So the next order of business is you want to go ahead and look for the power cord that typically comes attached to a standing desk. So for us, it is actually right here. Now, this is the Hooger standing desk, and a lot of the standing desks are like this, where there's like a control area. And typically, right behind that control area is going to be a cable. And this cable is what's going to power the actual desk on and allow the motor to actually work and allow your desk to go up and down. Now, please disregard the cable management. That's a separate project entirely that I'll be doing. But for now, let's just focus on powering the standing desk. So what you want to do is you want to take the other end of it and put it in an outlet if you're able to. So the most optimal way is the outlet. That is the safest and most secure way. Now, if your cable doesn't reach an outlet, then you could use a power extension like this one right over here. But there are a few things to know. You want to make sure that you don't overload your power extension too much. Otherwise, that could be a very serious risk. Now, one way to tell if you're overworking it is if you touch it and you notice it's like incredibly hot. So right now, ours is perfectly fine. It is not heating up whatsoever. But if you touch this right over here, like just a little slight touch like this, and you notice that it's heating up, that is not a good thing. You want to be very careful, and you want to either look for another outlet or try to reduce the amount of things that you have plugged into one of these right over here. So thankfully for us, we are good to go. It's not heating up or anything like that. And also, if you smell like a burning sensation, that's not a good thing. Like literally be very careful about that. But you should be good to go. And this one right over here, this power extension is like secured, meaning that it takes that into effect. So that there's pretty good. It is pretty safe. And now once you go ahead and plugged in, you should notice that your desk will now light up. And if you have everything attached and ready to go, if you go ahead and press over here, it is going to lift up the standing desk just like that. So that there is pretty good if you do ask me. So that's how you're effectively able to go ahead and connect your standing desk to an outlet. Of course, you want to be very careful and keep all the safety measures I mentioned in mind. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.